Guys, so we are back with this book. As I mentioned in my last video that I'm going to review this book as well, and this book is called If You Read This, and this is such a cute story of a 12-year-old girl, and it was very cute, and I finished it super fast, like within 2 to 3 days. And this is a very nice book for somebody who wants to start reading and want to get used to of reading. I would suggest this book to all of those people. This is very simply written book, and it's not very complex, and someone who is just starting can definitely start with this book. The book is published by Pushkin Press, and as I said, the book is called If You Read This. This book is by Kereen Gatten. She's a great writer. She has also written another book which is called When Life Gives You Mango. This is a very nice and simple, cute story of a teenage girl, and it's very heartwarming story, I would say. So I'll just give you a small summary about this book and will not spoil it for you. You can read it, and I'll just give you a little gist of it. So there is one line in this book that I really love, which says, sometimes the best adventure leads you home. And this is something like that. So in this story, there is one girl called Brim, and she was 9 when her mother passed away, and this is going to be her 12th birthday, and she gets a treasure box that has some letters from her mom, and she wrote her 3 letters, and all the letters leads to something very special that will completely change her life. The first letter guides Brie to a special place, and the second one urges her to unlock the secret that her mother has planned for her. And the third one will completely change her life, and she'll learn a lot about her family members, especially about her mom and her dad. So throughout this journey, she's gonna explore her relation, emotions, and everything going around. And one thing I noticed in this book, and I relate it to my and everybody's life, is that like whatever situation comes in our life, and sometimes children always, and we kids, we always blame our parents, like things didn't go how we wanted it to be. But I guess at the end of the day, for children as well as for parents, the parenthood is, for the first time, they are also going through this as we are going through it, our lives. And at some point, I believe that we should always should have that thing in us, that we can forgive our parents for something which didn't go according to our thoughts, and something which we wanted in our life, and things didn't align to our thoughts basically. In that case, I believe like we should forgive our parents, because they are also being parents for the first time. They are also exploring and learning. So this story is also somewhat like this. Some situation happened in their life, and how they are trying to deal with it. We often misunderstand our parents because of whatever XYZ reasons. But I believe a little bit of understanding is needed, and we can work on ourselves as they are working to be better parents. We can be good kids as well. So yeah, this is a very nice book that plays around all the emotions between. I am telling you, like whenever I read all those letters is mentioned in the book, and I literally cried. I don't know if I am that emotional or I am extra emotional. But it was really a heartwarming book, and I really like it. And somebody who wants to start reading, it is a great book. And yeah, I think you should definitely give it a try. And this is a very nice book. And I would like to mention that the next book that I'm reading is called The Golden Ass. And this sounds funny, but it's a very nice book on magic, and I'm really fond of such stories. So I will definitely finish it ASAP, and will get back to you guys with the review of this book. And till then, please read this book and let me know how do you like it. And if you're liking my content and if you're liking my reviews on book, please like, share and subscribe. And for more such videos, you can comment down and what you guys want to hear from me. Please comment and let me know. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Ta-da.